Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TidyData easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for TidyData. Press the Enter key to navigate to the TidyData homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. On the login screen, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field provided. Double-check your email and password for accuracy to avoid login issues. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once all details are entered correctly, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to submit your credentials. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your TidyData dashboard. If you encounter an error, review your email and password for mistakes. If necessary, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your email to regain access. Once logged in, you can start using TidyData features and tools. That's it. You have successfully logged into TidyData. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.